got down there. I mean, he.
He's going to be disappointed there. Just never hooked up. Hurt Justin. Well, that's how you do it.
So we can see he's got some issues, some of the smoke coming out from under the hood instead of through the 5-gallon bucket looking of the stack. Looks like he's going to give her another shot, though.
I'd say he just didn't wind her up quite tight enough to get her going first round. Definitely coming from under the hood, though. Definitely in his face. That's probably a good call, guys. He couldn't see. Almost drove that thing just like Van.
Gotta leave, get him spinning and leave soft. Well, guys, right there, that's why he was your runner-up last year. Wow. And you can kind of tell. Ooh.
Bugger. We never like to see that.
Looked like a hose, maybe. Tube.
Alec, what do you think of that?
Some clamps, maybe. Still tight down there.
We look back at Nick Gillette, a top shelf, and his class winner with a distance of 346.04. Nick Gillette out of Fostoria, Ohio, top shelf.